Paano Guro OM Review? Week 1B. What function of management involves influencing or motivating employees? Why should an organization avoid hiring too many workers? What are the 5 functions of management? Which function involves evaluation and adjustment of activities? What is the purpose of organizing in management? Why is motivation important in leading? What type of resources should be used efficiently in management? Why should tasks be coordinated in an organization? What should a manager evaluate during the controlling process? Why is setting objectives during planning essential? Thank you. My name is Jonah. Please like and subscribe to this channel.